Hey guys, it's Cassie Monique, and I'm going to show you how to mix up your own snake juice. Now, there are quite a few different recipes that I come across, and this one was the easiest to me, and you didn't need as many different supplies. And I like to keep it basic and simple. And I got this recipe straight from one of Cole Robinson's videos. It's the mix for 2 liters. So what I'm going to do is I like to make it easy and just pour these two, I hope I don't get anything on my laptop, pour these 2 bottles of water in this 2-liter container. There's one. Oh, look at me. I'm not making a mess. I'll link his actual video down below so you can see it for yourself. I'm a little shaky there. Okay, so I have the 2 bottles of water in the 2-liter bottle here. So I'm going to take this NoSalt, and it's supposed to be 1 teaspoon. Okay, there's 1 teaspoon of that. Pink salt, a 1/2 teaspoon. There's that. Then baking soda, 1 teaspoon. I just have mine here in a jar. It's easier for me to use this way. And then a 1/2 teaspoon of Epsom salt. Food grade Epsom salt. Not the kind you get at the 99-cent store. And that's all. They have ones with lemon juice and apple cider vinegar and borax, and you know, that's cool, but then you got to run out and go get all that stuff. And you know, I always have this stuff on hand. You just shake it up really good, and you can either pour it back through the bottles with the funnel, or you know, just drink it out as a big thing. I usually like to get a funnel and pour them back into the bottles. You know, that just makes it easier for me, and it's smaller to go into my refrigerator. So anyway, that's all I have for today. I hope you liked it. Hope you enjoy it. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.